Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Netflix account works and the catalog you want is available in the target country. Then pick a reputable VPN that explicitly supports Android streaming. This matters because many free VPNs fail on Netflix. Install the provider's app from Google Play, sign in, and enable core settings like the kill switch and split tunneling if available. Once done, select a streaming-optimized server near the country you want. This reduces latency and improves success. Now you connect. Open the VPN app and choose a streaming-optimized server in the country whose Netflix library you need. Make sure DNS leak protection is enabled and use obfuscation if your provider offers it. This prevents detection. Next, close the Netflix app and clear its cache in Android settings so old region data is removed, or open Netflix in a browser tab using incognito. Make sure device location services do not contradict the VPN location. Disable location or set it to match the VPN. Finally, launch Netflix and verify the catalog matches the country you chose. If it does, pick a title and start playback. If Netflix blocks you with an error, switch to another streaming server, force stop the Netflix app, or try an incognito browser session. Sometimes one server works where another fails. Make sure your VPN app and Android are up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: test multiple providers' dedicated streaming servers. Often a short server swap is all you
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.